Hi Barbara, it's Colin. Yeah, I can tell you exactly what's going on. There is something over top of the button. So if I go here, it's not actually hovering over the button, it's hovering over something else. And we need to find out what that something else is. Because notice when I go to contacts, see how I can put my mouse pretty much anywhere around and it works? And I get over to work safety. If I go here, oh, nothing. But if I go here, it activates right away. You see if I even touch the top of it. But if I go over up to this part here, nothing happens, and I move over and then it clicks in. So what I'm going to do is I go here, I right click, inspect element with fireworks, and oh, the graphic logo. Look at this. When I hover over the graphic logo, it actually covers the first two buttons almost completely and part of the work safety zone button. So what we need to do is figure out what's going on. Right. Let's take a look at our Oh, we got a P tag and an image. Okay, so here's what I'm going to suggest you do. Now you know that you can position your graphic logo through the primary.css. If you didn't know, well, you will now. You open up your primary.css, look for the graphic logo ID class, and there's a left and a top position. But what we need to do here is we need to, first of all, get rid of the P tag right here, because the paragraph tag has a padding. Right? And if I get rid of the padding, look at this. If I go to the fonts.css and I get rid of the padding for the paragraph tag, now when I hover over it works right away. Okay, so that's the problem solved there. We got to get rid of the P class because we do need padding for the paragraphs down here or all the text is going to be scrunched together. Right? But how do we get rid of that? Well, let's go to view the page source. You open up your library item element for the graphic logo, and then you switch it to code view and you get rid of that nasty, there it is right there. So you're going to open up your logo.html page, switch it over to code view, get rid of that, and get rid of that, the non-breaking space, because that adds a little bit of its own padding, right? So all you really want in this page is the image tag, nothing else. Sometimes your editor will just throw paragraph tags around stuff when you drop in the page in design view, so it's always safe to go back, and a good idea to go back and code and make sure it didn't do that. You may have to manually remove that, but that's what the problem is right there. P tags and a non-breaking space.